How to fix PayPal not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the PayPal app not working. So the first thing you can try to do is open up the app and try to log into your account. And if you're not able to log into it, then that probably means there's something wrong with your internet connection. Try to make sure that you have a stable enough internet connection. If it's still not working, you're going to have to update the app. So simply go to Play Store and then search for PayPal. Then tap on the app, and if you see an update button right besides uninstall instead of the open, just tap on it to update the app to its latest version. If you don't see it, then that means your app is already up to date. Now open up your settings menu, and from here, you're going to have to find your app settings. Now you can scroll all the way down to find PayPal, and then tap on it. Once you find PayPal, just go ahead and open the app info, and then go to storage. Here, you're going to have to tap on clear cache, and then clear data. So what it does is it's going to completely refresh the app and make it brand new again. So you're going to have to log in back again. Go to permissions, make sure all these permissions are allowed for the app. And then finally, on the battery section, you can make sure it's set to optimized or unrestricted. There's one more thing that you can do, that is try to force stop the app. So if there's anything running on the background that's causing the issue, it's going to completely stop it. So these are some of the ways that you can apply to fix the problem of your PayPal app not working. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.